Tired of manually posting to Instagram? In this video, we'll show you how to automate Instagram post creation and publishing with N8n, saving you tons of time. First, you'll need an N8n instance. You can use a cloud-hosted version or install it locally. Then, we'll create a new workflow. Start by adding a trigger node. This could be a scheduled trigger to post at specific times, or a webhook trigger to post when something else happens, like a new blog post being published. Next, you need to add the Instagram node depending on your needs and what's available. You might use the official Instagram API if you have developer access, or explore community-built nodes that allow you to connect to Instagram. You will need to authenticate N8n with your Instagram account. The authentication process may vary depending on the Instagram integration you are using, but generally involves granting N8n the necessary permissions to post on your behalf. Follow the prompts to connect your account securely. Now, map the data from your trigger or data source to the Instagram node. This means telling N8n where to get the image URL and the caption text. For example, if you're pulling data from a Google Sheet, you'll connect the relevant columns to the image URL and caption fields in the Instagram node. Finally, test your workflow. Click the Execute Workflow button to see if your post goes live on Instagram. If it works, congratulations, you've automated your Instagram posting. If you encounter issues, double-check your authentication and data mapping. Now you can enjoy more free time, knowing your Instagram content is being published automatically. Be sure to like and subscribe for more N8n automation tips.